Are you tired of the 9 to 5 grind and ready to start making money online? Look no further than this video. In just a few minutes, you'll discover 7 underutilized websites that can help you make money online every day without any prior experience. The best part? You can do it all from the comfort of your own home or wherever you are. Let's start. Respondent.io. Respondent.io is a website that links companies and researchers with people who are eager to take part in their studies, surveys, and other research initiatives. As a participant, you can get paid for offering your ideas, feedback, and insights on a variety of issues. Instead of other comparable websites that pay very little for completing jobs, keep scrolling down to see the payout rates for this one. This website pays far more. For instance, with Respondent.io, you can make $100, $150, $550, $700, and so on every hour. This website is entirely legitimate just for study participation, and you may check its legitimacy online as it has been there for a while. To get started, simply scroll up and click the Get Started button. Next, select the Participants option because our goal is to make money. Link will direct you to a page where you may register by providing your personal information. Alternatively, you can use your Facebook or LinkedIn account to register. Just give your first and last name and your work email. They partner with significant organizations like Microsoft and IBM, among others, which is why they provide high payout rates. The respondent algorithm will begin sending your research studies based on your experience and expertise when you register and validate your email and access your dashboard on the website. After completing these tasks, you'll be paid via PayPal or you can add your bank account information. Please watch the entire video before I unveil the second website on our list, since it's a brand new platform that enables you to earn more money. Additionally, it is very simple, and after watching the video, you may start making money right away. The usreview.com website, which is a platform known as Us Review of Books, is the following website on our list. This website offers users the chance to read books, submit reviews, and get paid for their contributions. It acts as a resource for those who appreciate reading and want to express their opinions on different literary works. It is totally free and accessible to everyone. If you enjoy reading, this is an excellent opportunity for you to work from home. By writing book reviews for this website, you can make between $25 and $75 for each review you submit. If you already read for pleasure in your spare time, this means you can also make some extra cash in the process. Payment amounts may vary depending on the length, complexity, and quality of the review. However, for people who love reading and are seeking a way to supplement their income, this could be a fantastic opportunity. Let's now go to the third website on our list, Sweatcoin, which also happens to be an app. To get there, click the first search result. Sweatcoin is a cutting-edge smartphone application that rewards users with virtual currency for walking. These coins can be redeemed for a variety of goods and services, including iPhones among others, tablets, Apple Watches, and several subscriptions by giving users the chance to receive incentives for exercising. This software encourages and promotes a healthy lifestyle. With over 120 million registered users and positive reviews, this software is well liked. Simply go on a stroll to get incentives. All you have to do is continue walking while downloading the app. Simply go to the bottom of this page and select the choice that best suits your smartphone. For iPhone users, choose one, and for Android users, choose the other. The app's popularity and dependability are demonstrated by the fact that it has already been downloaded more than 50 million times from the Play Store if you choose the Android option. This software is fantastic in my opinion, and I wholeheartedly endorse it to anyone searching for an easy and gratifying method to stay active. The fourth website on our list, userinterviews.com, gives you the chance to voice your opinions and thoughts about a variety of goods to firms like Pinterest, Spotify, and Adobe. Through this platform, you can make money by providing feedback. The best aspect is that there are consistently fresh ways to make money because studies are constantly being published on the website. This implies that there will always be opportunities for you to monetize the sharing of your opinions. There are constantly new options to take part in studies and get money because the website is actively looking for new people to join. It's simple to register as a participant on our website. Just click the sign up button and choose the participants option. You can sign up using your social network account instead of your email by clicking this link, which will take you to a new page where you can enter your personal information, including your email and phone number, and choose a password. Anyone interested in taking part in studies and making money should find the process simple and hassle-free. You can begin applying as a participant for research once you have successfully created an account on this website and had it approved. For participating in these trials, you will receive compensation. This website is among the top possibilities for earning money through online surveys because of the significant payout it offers. Userbrain.com is the next website in our list after userbrain.com. This platform gives you the chance to make money by evaluating a range of goods, including applications, websites, and other connected products. When you register on this website, you'll get a list of chores to fulfill as part of your participation, such as signing up for Spotify's family plan for music streaming, find a birthday present for a friend, or determine the entire cost of your purchase by giving feedback to the platform. It will be your responsibility to share your experience with these products and services. Specifically, you will be sharing your opinions and thoughts on how user-friendly, effective, and generally satisfactory the products and services offered on the website you visit here. Clicking the Get Paid to Test button will take you to a page where you can enter your personal information. Once your account has been approved, you'll be able to participate in tests that last between 5 and 20 minutes and earn you $5. The process of signing up on this website is very simple. This is a fantastic way to make money without any prior expertise or professional training. TriMata's website. TriMata.com is next on our list of 6 websites. This is another website that compensates you for reviewing various websites and apps that you try. Each test takes between 10 and 20 minutes to complete, and you can win $10 for each one you pass. The biggest feature of this website is that there is no cap on the number of tabs you can open, allowing you to register on this testing website and earn as much as you like. For additional information, visit the website, click on the Get Paid to Test option, and then fill out the form. You'll need a PayPal account to receive payment because you can make money playing video games. My favorite website on the list is playtestcloud.com, a platform utilized by major app developers for playtesting mobile games to enhance their performance in areas like onboarding and retention. The selection labeled "Who are the players" can be found by scrolling down the website. More information about the website may be found in this section. According to the website, testers can be anyone who regularly plays video games, regardless of experience. If you're interested, scroll down further on the website to find more information. You can get started without any prior experience and earn about $9 for every 15 minutes of playtesting. If you're interested, visit their website and scroll down to find more information. See you in my next video. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any new content. Thank you for watching.